Hi guys, I'm Erin Helly from BC Global Investments, and I created this company because I started out in a place of worthlessness and a place of feeling so bad for myself and a place of feeling like I did not deserve anything. I had no income, I was a stay-at-home mom, I left the army, felt like nobody really cared about my service, and just honestly didn't see a future for myself. I'm smiling, but it was the most depressing time of my life, okay? I know a lot of you are there. But I know that this is not it for you. There can be more, and we want to help you with that. We can help you to take charge of your finances and not be a victim to them, and dream big goals for your life and allow your finances to help you live that life. And that's what we're here to do. That's why I created this business, because I know that the odds are stacked against us. We still live in a world where the patriarchy is alive and well. We still live in a world where all of our marketing and in terms of financing and investing is geared toward men. But we can help you cut through all that. We can help you figure out what you need to do to be successful in your own eyes and to help you actually live your dream. So let's just take the first step, book a call with my team, one thing at a time, and we'll go from there.